Bismillah. Welcome to sixth chapter of this course, Guide to Joomla. In this lesson, you will learn about system management, which includes extension installation and management, redirects, information, updates, and user permission. Now, I will break this chapter into 5 small lessons. Okay, next sub lesson of this chapter 6 is the information. Under the information, we have three things: the warning, installation messages, and system information. When I go to the warning, this screen will display any warnings related to extensions you have installed in your Joomla installation. Warnings such as possible conflicts in your installation or dependency failures may appear here. The next is the installation message. The post installation messages shows a variety of messages useful to the site administrator. These messages are the stat collection in the Joomla, welcome message into the Joomla, suggesting the two-factor authentication which is available, and you can also hide the messages. And the last thing is the system information. Okay, this page provides the information about your host server environment, including the operating system, database, and PHP setting and directory information. There are 5 different tab panels: system information, PHP settings, configuration setting file, and file folder permission, and PHP information. Those are all relevant to the development section. If you are a developer, you can check out all the system information under this page. So pretty useful information being displayed by Joomla, which I don't see in other CMS like WordPress.